Good, gentle, gentle. Good. And your back. Ooh. Okay.
What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to chiropractic media. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. If you do enjoy chiropractic content like this, before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, getting into today's video, guys and girls, we've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation. If you want to check out any of the chiropractors, their links will be in the description where you can get in contact with them. If you want to book appointments or go and get treatment done from them, that's how you can do that. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to that in the description where you can check it out. It got a very good response, and I'll throw it up on the screen now so you can see where it is. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. I want to see loads of comments. I want to see your reactions to the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one. Next up is Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Let me have you sit up on the table. Good. Next. Yep, look over the shoulder. Okay. So we're going to do leg pulls, so I just want you to relax your legs, okay? Let me have you lay on your side and face me this way. Yep. Okay. Yeah, you can rest down. Put your head right in there. Perfect. Good. We're gonna have you flip to the other side. Right here, yep, facing that way. Bring your arms up, yep. Hands up and over. Lean back, I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good, good, good.
Oh, yes.
Yep, hands up and over mine. Come back, I got you. Tighter with the elbows, good. There. Good. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Good. Good.
Oh.
Deep breath in and out from it.
Oh.
Next up, it's Dr. Brent Binder.
All right, so same thing again. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, and just kind of sink in, let it all go.
Yeah, I needed that.
How's that pressure, okay?
That was good. Oh.
All right. You have a very flexible upper thoracic spine here.
I feel like I'm flexible everywhere.
Okay. Okay, one more time, deep breath in and out. Good, and just sink in, let it go.
Oh.
Forward just a little bit, and then this one forward just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna follow your breath, and as you breathe out, we're just gonna stretch. Your shoulders are gonna come up this way, and your hips this way, and they'll give a little push, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, take a nice soft breath in, and out through your mouth. Good, gentle, gentle. Good. Lean your back. Ooh. Okay. Let's do the other side. Okay.
Like my fingers don't crack, like nothing. But in the morning I wake up and I go like this sometimes, and sometimes, but.
Forward again. And that one. And then let your shoulders relax this way. We're gonna bring this down like this. Hold on, don't undo. There you go. Okay, we're gonna bring this down here and give it a little push, okay? Mm-hmm. Deep breath in through your nose and out. Good, shoulders relaxed. Good, we're gonna bring this down a little further.
Oh. That's why it was much more successful.
Oh, no, mine's different. Once
I feel like I can breathe.
Face, it, like, spins it.
Like more than normal.
Mm-hmm.
When you say I can't tell if you're being serious or being sarcastic.
No, it's serious. It's all right, so now that I know that you're super flexible in your hips, we're gonna do this one again, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so shoulders relax, and just here, hold on, I'm gonna bring it forward again one more time. Okay, nice, soft breath in and out. Good, sinking in, let your shoulders relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh yeah.
Lay your back. Let's take it for a test drive. Go ahead and walk to that side of the room, and then walk back to this side of the room.
I feel weird. Is it weird if I say I feel high right now?
No, that's great. Yeah.
No, like I really do. Like.
You mean you feel hotter than you did before?
No, not high. Like I feel like.
Did you say high or hot?
High, like.
Oh yeah, that's actually
like
really...
a natural high. Like I feel.
That's
I don't know. Relaxed.
Next up is Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
Relax. Good.
I'm fighting you, ain't I?
Yes, you are. Deep breath in. And out. Don't you worry, I'll get everything to move. But yes, you are fighting me right now.
I'm gonna pretend like I'm on the beach.
Exactly. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Over that shoulder, bring other arm up over this one. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna rotate you like this. Good. There we go. Good. I'm gonna do the leg pulls here.
Ah! I felt it.
She was not expecting. Okay, and I'm gonna lean you back. I gotcha. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good. There we go. Bring the other one up. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. There we go. And relax, rest. Okay.
Oh my god. That felt good.
Deep breath in and out.
And next up is Dr. Joe Denke.
Good again.
hold it. That was great. All right, now let's go right here. That feel all right?
Oh, great, yes.
Perfect. Same thing here. One more. There. Good. Okay, now turn on your side, facing this way. Feel all right?
Yes.
Let's go right there, there. So this is the side that's been bothering her. When you first came in, what was your pain level? 0 to 10?
It was about an 8.
8. And then now today, what's it been?
It's about a 3 or 4.
3. So gone down, and this is what, your fourth treatment here?
time.
Yeah. All right. So right here is where our pain is. So we're going to contact there. I'm going to pull you this way. Keep it all relaxed. Even got some beforehand. Good. Okay. Now go that way. There. There. Good. That was good. Good. Now we gave her some rehab exercises for this hip. And what did you say earlier? You didn't realize how hard they were until you started doing them, right?
Yeah, I felt a little bit like a weakling.
Good, relax. Stop it. Now, let's keep this nice and relaxed here. Stiff right there, and then right there. So let's go here first. Keep it nice and relaxed. And one more lower. Perfect. Do this. Little there and there. So let's go here first. Good. Good. Nice and pull here. Good. Next up is Dr. Gregory Johnson.
And Springer too. Okay. There you go. Feel that all the way down, Robert?
Yes, sir.
I know you did. Because I did. Still kicking too. Good. Nope, don't get up yet. That's all right. Tilt left a bit. Okay, tilt right. Boy, your neck has just been, Michelle.
I'm here for the ring dinger.
Yep. Tell it like it is. There you go. Now see, I use different forces when I'm adjusting different sizes of patients on Shelby. I don't need to use as much force to get the same result, so I don't. And she's just been a real trooper all week. You notice how much they're going and seeing it, but those guys are all very talented people. They're the ones that made my biophysics table. Tom, breathe through your nose. Just like that.
That was a little more intense than yesterday.
No, it just went deeper because yesterday I broke the fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue loose, so I got a deeper adjustment today. I got you. Tilt left. There you go. Tilt right. Now, no cringing from the front row seats. Okay, just keep breathing. There you go. Yes, ma'am. I still got some.
Oh God.
It's that ours is in gravitational weight-bearing compressive stress. If she's living, breathing gravity, breathe. There you go. Good job. Just like that. Now you should have felt that go all the way
Yeah,
down.
felt it in my neck.
Yep. And look at there, you're still kicking. All right, now. Yes, ma'am.
Goodness.
Wait till you feel this one. Got one more. There it is.
Oh, God.
Okay, lift your head up. That's a girl. All right. Keep your teeth together for me, Teresa, and breathe through your nose with your right big toe. There you go, just like that. Yeah, you're not screaming yours loud this afternoon. And look at there, she's still kicking too. All righty. Tilt left a little bit. That's it. Tilt right. Nope, let me do it. There you go. That's a Palmer diversified rotary brake there. There's in the state of Texas to do the manual spinal decompression ring dinger. There you go, perfect. And I'll be conducting seminars here in Houston, right here in this office and another office space that we have, teaching doctors how to do this, about biomechanics, biophysics. There you go, tilt right. That's it, moving better on that one.
Yeah.
We get our new table in here. It's gonna raise your legs up as high as you need to, because we got it to where it's for taller individuals as well. Yes, sir. Boy, you ripped one over the third baseline out of the park. Okay, I got you. Nope, drop this in my hand here. Tilt left. There you go. Now tilt right. That's it, right there.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chiropractic content.